Bumaba na halos lahat ng rates pero don't worry, may mga digital banks pa rin naman na mataas this 2025. Hi, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, work from home related opportunities, and also snippets into my daily life. Now, alam ko na madami sa atin ang naghahanap ng mga digital banks na mataas pa rin ang binibigay na interest this August of 2025. Kasi diba, pansin nyo, karamihan ng mga rates lately ng mga digital banks ay nagsibabaan na. Pero good news pa rin kasi may mga banks pa rin na worth it ilagay yung mga savings natin kasi mataas pa rin yung binibigay nila na interest rate para naman kumita tayo kahit papano. So today, i-share ko yung mga top digital banks na pwede nyo pa rin pagkatiwalaan para masulit ang ipon nyo this year. Wait. Quick disclaimer lang po, I am not a financial advisor and I just share info for awareness. Now, don't worry about the digital banks na i-share ko today kasi they are all regulated by BSP or Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Also, they are PDIC insured up to 1 million pesos. Now, before we go any further, let's have a very quick distinction muna of what are traditional banks compared to digital banks. For traditional banks, ito yung mga bangko na may physical location. Kagaya ng BPI, BDO, Metrobank, and these branches or these banks, mas lower yung interest na binibigay nila sa atin. Usually, nasa less than 1% lang interest rate per annum. Compared naman sa digital banks, ito naman ang mga bangko na branchless. Wala po silang physical location. And because they don't have a physical location, they have a lower operational cost. Kaya, kayang-kaya nilang bigyan tayo ng matataas na interest rates. Also, kasi digital banks sila, most of the transactions are actually done online. So, it's more convenient para sa akin because I can open an account online and do my transactions online without going through the hassle of visiting a branch to like show up in person and things like that. Okay, so ito na nga, yung top 5 digital banks where you can earn high interest pa rin this 2025. So, number 1 on my list is Maya Savings. Bakit nga ba Maya ang nilagay ko? 3.5% interest lang naman ang binibigay nila. Yes, that is correct. Pero what I like about Maya is they have missions na kailangan nating i-complete. And once makomplete mo yung missions, you can actually earn as much as 15% interest rate. 'Di ba? Ang laki kaya nun. Sa Maya app kasi, meron silang mga missions na you have to complete. Let's say, for example, you have to spend this amount, let's say 350 pesos with your Maya wallet or something. And once you have completed those missions, then they will boost your base interest rate. Right now, parang nasa 6% interest rate ang nakukuha ko kay Maya Savings. And then, another thing, you are earning interest daily, on a daily basis, pati yung pagka-credit ng interest ay daily din po kay Maya. Kaya number 1 ko talaga si Maya. Love na love ko yung Maya. It earns a daily interest and then nakikredit din yung interest na na-earn mo on a daily basis. Now, number 2 naman on my list ay CIMB. Matagal-tagal ko nang ginagamit sa CIMB and so far, hindi pa naman ako binigo ni CIMB. So, the regular base rate of CIMB is 2.5% for Upsave and 2.6% for GSave. Pero kagaya kay Maya, meron din silang mga boosted rates. Depende po yun sa ADB mo or average daily balance. So you will earn 1% interest per annum by growing your average daily balance by at least 1,000 pesos. And then you can earn 1.5% naman if you can grow your average daily balance by at least 5,000 pesos. And you can earn an additional 2% interest per annum by growing your average daily balance by at least 10,000 pesos. And you can earn 2.5% interest by growing your average daily balance by at least 50,000. Now, as for the interest, kung kailan siya makakredit sa account, unlike kay Maya na daily ang pag-credit, kay CIMB, it's credited monthly naman. Usually, it's credited at the start of the following month or every first of every month. Number 3 ko naman ay Uno Bank. Currently, ginagamit ko si Uno pero bago pa yung account ko kay Uno. So, I'm still testing it out. And so far, this is what I have to share kay Uno naman. Yung interest rate naman ni Uno ay nasa 3.75%. O diba, malaki-laki na rin yun. And then kay Uno naman, you can earn up to 3.75% interest. Malaki-laki na yun ha. If you have a deposit of 5,000 pesos and up. Tapos, if it's below 5,000 pesos naman, yung deposit mo, you can still enjoy mga 3.25% interest. Also, you can enjoy their daily interest credit, kagaya kay Maya. Number 4 on my list is Tonic. Tonic account, ito, siguro you will be confused when nilagay ko si Tonic kasi yung regular na interest rate ni Tonic ay nasa 1% lang. Pero bakit siya andito sa number 4 pa? It's because kahit 1% lang yung interest rate niya for the regular savings account, meron pala siyang stashes. Para siyang mga mini savings account under your main savings account. And sa isang stash, like you can open a new stash for a new vehicle or for a new gadget or another stash for a family vacation, yung mga tipong ganun. So these stashes, they actually earn mga 4%, which is big. So again, yung 1% is para lamang sa regular savings account nila. But for your stashes, it's going to earn you 4% interest per annum. And they also have this thing which they call group stash, wherein pwede kang mag-open ng group account or group stash between you and another person who also has a Tonic account. Tapos, you and that other person can contribute doon sa stash na yun. And that type of account or that type of group stash can actually earn you 4.5% per annum. So yeah, kaya number 4 siya sa list ko. And then, yung number 5 naman, dalawa, nag-tie dito. Nilagay ko SeaBank, which is actually one of my favorite digital banks, and GoTyme. Pareho kasi silang 3.5 interest per annum. Tapos, when it comes to crediting naman ng interest, they both earn interest on a daily basis. Kay SeaBank, it's credited daily, parang every midnight. Tapos si GoTyme naman, yung interest rate naman niya ay paid every month. It's usually credited on the first of the following month. So ayun, those are the top digital banks na mataas pa rin ng interest this 2025. Perfect if you want your savings to grow habang safe and insured. Kung may experience ka or gamit mo na ang isa sa mga digital banks na na-mention ko kanina, do leave your comment down below. I want to know your experience and kung may ma-recommend ka ba na hindi nasali doon sa list ko. And kung may nakita man ako mga bagong update, gagawa ulit ako ng follow-up video. So if you are still here and you like what you see, please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for your time and I will see you in the next one. Bye!